everyone. My name is Esther Bratcher. I own a martial arts school here in Hobbs. I teach karate, and I'm actually at the dojo. We have a small library in the dojo, and so I thought since I'm doing a book reading, it would be fitting to come do it at the library. So I have my gi on, which is uniform in Japanese. I'm at the dojo, which is karate school in Japanese. I'm the sensei, which is teacher, right? And then I have on my obi, which is belt. So you learn some words in Japanese. So I'm gonna read to you a book called Trees. And the author of this book is from Hobbs. And so I find that very fitting and also very important because she's from a smaller town in Hobbs, right? And she is an author. That's huge. That's a big deal. And so that being said, whatever your dreams are, go and chase your dreams. It is possible. You can make it happen. All right, so let's get this party started. All right, so trees start out small, just like we do. And so you see a small stem and then the leaf. This looks like an oak tree. Oh yeah, oak seedling. So oak trees get fairly large, and they start out small, like we do. Trees need space to grow, just like we do. And so the space that they're talking about for trees is underneath the ground. So the roots of the tree are underneath the ground, and they're very large. They grow underneath the ground, really big, really large. The trunks of trees grow upright so they can stand tall, just as we do. And so it has pictures of trunks and how tall they are. Trees grow limbs from their trunks, just like we do. And so our limbs are our arms and our legs, right? Trees need food and water to survive, just like we do. And so water is one of the factors of photosynthesis. Trees need sunlight and air, just like we do. Again, photosynthesis. When trees are injured, they lose sap and may appear to bleed, just like we do. They also have scars when they heal. And so this reminds me of a time when I was a kid and I was in a tree and I was trying to jump from one limb to the next limb, and I didn't catch the next limb, and I fell down a chain link fence, and then I hit the bricks were on the bottom. And so I've got some scars from that. I'm sure I bled, I don't remember, but I'm sure I did. That just reminded me of that story. Trees are constantly reaching towards the stars, just as we are. And so when we're reaching for our goals, right? As many trees grow older, their bark grows wrinkly, just as our skin does. So put on sunblock, try to stay out of the sun, drink water, and put on lotion. Trees are alive, and they come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors, just as we do. So we all look different, right? Oh, about the author. Chandra Quarles is a children's book author and teacher with over 20 years of experience in the field of education. In 2008, she co-authored an Eastern New Mexico grant project titled Chasing Core Knowledge, Where to Find the Time. The research paper was published by the Center for Teaching Excellence in 2009. Ms. Quarles' students inspired her to write and self-publish her first ebook, Kindergartner Wisdom, the best advice I ever got from a kindergartner, in 2014. Chandra later went on to self-publish her first paperback book, The Teacher Who Didn't Want to Go to School, in 2016. This book earned her a prestigious award from the National Celebrity Educators for authoring a book about teachers. So, let's talk about that. Chandra, her initial goal, her first goal, was to be a teacher. And then that goal changed or grew into also being an author of children's books. And so that's how goals work. They start out as one thing and then they change or they grow. But no matter the process or if they change or grow or stay the same, you first start with an idea. And then you have to put action behind that idea. And so the action is the hard work and dedication that goes into achieving that goal. So have a goal, put some action behind your goal, and chase your dreams. All right, we'll see you guys next time.